Hey guys, welcome back to JYLeeCooking, and today we'll be making Yakiniku Don. The ingredients list are right down in the description, and without wasting time, let's start the video. And today we'll be making it Yoshinoya style, so we will be using a sous vide machine for the eggs. If you don't have a sous vide, just make soft boiled eggs. And for sous videing the eggs, I will be setting it to 62.5 degrees Celsius. And when the temperature reaches the 62.5 Celsius, we will be adding in the eggs. I'll just be making extra eggs here for my liking. Now we'll be slicing the onions into thick slices. I like red onions, but the original recipe requires you to use white onions. And we'll be cutting the spring onions here. Now I'm going to cut the green bits for the garnish, and of course longer stem on the bottom part for cooking. This step is totally optional, but I prefer to grate my garlic for that extra punch of flavor. And I'll be thinly slicing some garlic here for some deep fried garlic for that extra garnish. Now let's go to the beef. I'll be using ribeye here, but you can use striploin. First we'll be removing any excess fat. And then we'll be thinly slicing them. The thickness is totally up to you. First I'm going to deep fry the sliced garlic for the garnish until it's golden brown and crispy, and I will remove it from the oil. Next we're going to prepare a high heat pan here and using back the garlic oil we used just now. And in goes all of that sliced onions. We're just going to give it a saute here. Once it's all fragrant, we will be adding in the sliced beef. Now the doneness is totally up to you, so the rarer you want it, the higher the heat should be. The more cooked you want it, the lower the heat should be. Once the beef is all nice and cooked, we will be adding in the long stems of spring onions. And once you add in the spring onion, you don't want to cook it too long, if not your spring onions will totally wilt out. Lastly, we'll be adding some teriyaki sauce, or you can use eel sauce if you want. And just give it a final saute. And nothing else better to do but to dish up. And that's it for today's episode. I hope you guys enjoy watching the video as much as I enjoy making it. Now if you're not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And of course give the video a like and a share as well. I'll be uploading videos every 6:30 PM on Fridays. Until then, I'll see you guys next week.